Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make the easiest chicken curry in 30 minutes. The only chopping you have to do is onions. Nothing else, except the chicken of course. You won't believe how tasty and creamy this curry is, with so little effort. Here I have sliced red onion for the spices, ground turmeric, red chili powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, garam masala, ground coriander, and cumin seeds. You can substitute ground cumin for the seeds. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut up into small bite-sized pieces. To make the creamy gravy, butter, milk, and tomato sauce or puree. Heat up a pan and add oil. When the oil is hot, add the cumin seeds and cook until they change color. They'll sizzle and you'll smell them. If you're using ground cumin, skip this step. Add sliced red onion, a little salt, and saute until golden brown. To save time, cut the chicken while the onions are cooking. They'll take about 7 minutes to get golden brown. Once they're ready, add the chicken and all the spices plus salt. If you're using ground cumin, add it now. Mix and let that cook about 5 minutes, stirring in between. Now cover the pot and cook the chicken until tender. That should take 10 to 15 minutes. Stir in between and add a little water if the chicken starts to stick to the bottom of the pan. When the chicken is cooked, add tomato sauce or puree and a little sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. Cover and cook for a few minutes until the sauce separates from the oil and the tomato loses its raw taste. This is kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. It's a nice addition to curries if you can get it. By the way, if you cannot eat dairy, stop right here. Add kasuri methi if you have it, and that's it. It's ready to eat. I'm lactose intolerant, so I take some of this and put it aside. For everyone else, add kasuri methi, milk, and butter. Stir and simmer for 2 minutes. Taste and adjust the salt and sugar. Chopped cilantro leaves are a nice garnish if you have it. Serve this with any Indian bread or over rice. I make this chicken curry often because it's so easy and tasty. Definitely give this a try. It is perfect for weeknight dinners. And I'm sure you're not going to get any complaints from your family. To get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.